Hey everyone, it's Darren. It's at Target today. Had a 5% birthday month one-time discount. Nothing was hitting me in the card aisle as something I really wanted, so I thought I'd try a little something different, a little Star Wars action. I've opened Star Wars cards over the years. This will be my first video on it. This was the Obi-Wan Kenobi Season 1 show cards. This was... I love Mandalorian, but I just thought this was so awesome, this show, Season 1. So much, just nostalgia in it. It was so awesome with Darth Vader and Anakin in it, and I just really enjoyed it. Young Luke and Leia. Yeah, really good. Let's see what's in here. I know nothing about the set, so if I don't notice something that's nice, let me know. You get one commemorative patch card guaranteed. So, with my huge discount, I got this for $19.05 plus tax. Woohoo! It's normally $19.99, but I had 5% birthday month one-time purchase. And regular red card, 5% off. Don't worry about groceries and stuff too. You got the 5% off the entire purchase. So, anyways, blah, blah, blah. Get to opening some cards, Darren. So, I don't know which one of these will be the commemorative patch. Might be that one. What we got here? You can't escape him, Obi-Wan. Darth Vader and Knights the Battleground. Love it. Love Jimmy Smith's action. That was nostalgic. Bail Organa. Fifth Brother. Inquisitors. Obi-Wan stands ready. That's what she said. Escape from Vader's clutches. Got a little young Princess Leia there. She was spunky in this show, just like she was as an adult. Obi-Wan discovers the Jedi tomb. Princess Leia Organa, Heroes subset. Some kind of artwork, poster art cards. Obi-Wan's battle stance. Leia embraces the Jedi Master. I'll be able to tell which ones are parallels. Assume they have those in here. You got that Lola among the treetops. Nice Darth Vader card. This might be blue parallel here. Yeah, I bet it is. So I had this Obi-Wan blue parallel earlier. Oh, look at that guy. Guess I shouldn't assume it's a male. Could be a female. Could be a they, them. Standoff in the quarry. That was awesome. Scene. Obi-Wan at full strength. Blue parallel. Showdown with the Dark Lord. Owen Lars. Concept art. Taladurith. Keep those blue parallels in one pile. I might as well give Obi-Wan a little love on the stand with his blue parallel. Anakin, looking a little older than the original movies there. That's okay. Love the fact that they brought him back. Luke Skywalker is a young boy. Droid. Oh, here's our commemorative patch card. Congratulations. Obi-Wan Kenobi commemorative patch card. It's kind of a fabric-y feeling. I don't remember that character's name. Doesn't say it on here. Cool. So we know this pack isn't a patch card. What were the other two cards? Nothing interesting. So I wonder if there's purple parallels too. Like that was a purple parallel. That's a purple parallel. I tried to research the set on ComC, but they don't have their set loaded right. You try to click on all cards in the whole set and it doesn't work. If you search for a specific card, you can find it, but there's a blue parallel of, Jimmy Smits and Princess Leia, his adopted daughter. All right, let's get another color parallel that is unique, not blue or purple, which are obviously fairly common. They don't have odds on the back anymore. You got to go online. There's a blue parallel, that kid. Little Obi-Wan hero action, a little poster art card. More Obi-Wan. Nice. Vader amongst the flames. Blue parallel. Blue parallel Obi-Wan. Getting pretty intense there. Obi-Wan holds the ocean at bay. Wow. That's impressive. That's like Moses' power there, splitting the ocean. Lola sneaks aboard. Her name was Lola. She was a droid girl. Last pack to get something. All right, we got a blue parallel Obi-Wan, and then we got another purple parallel, the fearsome helmet of Darth Vader. Nice. Hero, Inquisitor, the Grand Inquisitor. Master and Apprentice. Yeah, that was a cool scene. It was a flashback. All right. Well, here's our patch card. Kind of wish it would have been one of the main characters, Obi-Wan or Darth or something like that. Our blue parallels. Got, our purple must be a little rarer. So we got the Darth Vader, Tala and Leia. That's a cool card right there. Darth Vader ignites the battleground. All right, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'm mostly sports breaks, but thought I'd do a little Star Wars action here to change it up. Thanks for watching. Bye.